So you can see there's, I don't want you to think that that's hurting him at all, okay? Down. See? Hey, hey. It's hard for women to watch this. Most of them start crying about this point.
Okay.
Seriously, you can cry, go ahead. I mean, because I'm not hurting him. He just hasn't had any real discipline yet, so he's objecting to what he thinks I want. He knows I'm not trying to hurt him. Okay? Now he just put his mouth on me, you see that? Just put his mouth on me. Okay? Hey, hey. Just try to bite me again. I'm gonna hold it against him, you know? But at this point I have to follow through. Hey, hey. Good boy. Good boy. See? So that took a while.
Yeah.
That took a while. Now, what happens is I can't hold him biting me or any of that against me. But you can see what happens is that you let him get to this point. Now, I would do this with the dog as soon as I get him. Okay, so he wouldn't have to go through this. He's already gotten to the point that he's already leading the parade. He's already hadn't had any real structure and discipline yet. So he's telling me he's objecting to that. He's not, you know. But I can see the look on your face that I want you to be reassured that that I'm not breaking the dog's spirit, okay, that he's still going to be loving, he's still going to be just as nice as before. So what's going to happen, we're going to do it again, and you're going to see that he's going to object quite a lot less. Good boy. See, I'm not afraid to put my hand down there, okay? Good boy, come. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Bend. Down. Down. Good boy. Good boy. That's all I want. That's all we wanted. That's all we want. That's all we wanted. See? So that was less. Right?
Yeah.
That was less. We're going to do it a third time and a fourth time. Good boy. Bring it right back to the same spot. Bend. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So I don't mind if he goes down on his side yet. That's fine. He went right down almost that time. You see that? Okay. All right. So we're going to do it one more time. I want you to be reassured that he's not in any pain. You know. It's kind of emotional though, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't like that noise.
Yeah, but it's a dog. It's a dog. It's one of the things that we have to do. He's fine. Exactly. He's fine. Exactly. And I want you to be assured that this is no way in my hurting him or I'm breaking his spirit in any way. I'm still giving him all the love that he needs. Good boy. Come on. Come on.